So good afternoon. In our last class, we were discussing the problems on charged spheres tied to two strings. See, these are the two charged spheres, each having mass m, and charge q. The mass of each sphere is m, and they have a charge q on them. Because of the mass of the sphere, weight acts on it, gravitational force acts on it, and that weight of the sphere acts vertically downward, that is mg. Right? This is the first force acting on the sphere. That is because of mass. And because of charge, electric force acts on this sphere. Similarly, this sphere ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ electric force ಇರ್ತದೆ. There will be electric force even on the sphere, but we have not represented. ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ similar situations ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we have represented it only for one sphere, right? So electric force acts towards this side. They both undergo repulsion. There will be a force of repulsion between both the spheres. So because of mass, weight acts on the sphere and its direction is vertically downward, and because they possess charge, electric force acts on them in this direction. And the tension in the string T can be resolved into two components, T cos theta and T sin theta. I have told you, T cos theta component will be balanced by the weight mg, or the weight mg of the sphere will be balanced by T cos theta component, and electric force will be balanced by T sin theta component. In the last class, we have calculated angle made by each string with the vertical. ಈ vertical ಜೊತೆಗೆ string ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. The angle made by the string with the vertical is given by tan theta is equals to angle made by the string with the vertical is tan theta is equals to fe divided by mg. Or we can write this as theta is equals to tan inverse of fe divided by mg. Even that can be written. And tan theta can be further written in terms of equilibrium distance. The distance between the two spheres x and the distance of the point of suspension of the strings. These strings illinda ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿವೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they are suspended at a distance y. Right? Tan theta can be written as ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ O ಇದನ್ನ C ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. OCB triangle ಆಗಿದೆ. If you define tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Tan theta can be written as x by 2 opposite, x by 2 divided by adjacent is y, x by 2y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು tan theta can be written as x by 2y, or tan theta can be written as fe divided by mg, right? So this is the formula for calculating the angle made by each string with the vertical. Also we have calculated the tension in the string. Tension in the string was proved to be square root of fe whole square plus mg whole square. This is the tension in the string. T is equals to fe whole square plus mg whole square. This is the expression for tension in the string. And we have also discussed the case when the entire arrangement is taken into space. If the entire arrangement is taken into space where there is no gravity, under that situation acceleration due to gravity g becomes 0. If g becomes 0, tension in the string becomes equal to electric force. So if you are asked to calculate tension in the string in absence of gravity, tension in the string becomes equal to electric force. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್? 1/4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by x square. That's it. Q square divided by x square, right? So in absence of gravity, tension becomes equal to the electric force. With this, we will now try to calculate charge on each sphere. What will be the charge on each sphere? So far we have calculated angle made by each string with the vertical. We have calculated tension developed in the string. Now we will calculate what is the amount of charge present on each sphere. This sphere charge Q again kandira. A Q value is to what is the value of the charge that is present on the sphere. Even that can be calculated. We will now calculate the charge present on each sphere. We calculate charge present on each sphere. Charge on each sphere. Charge on each sphere. See, we know that tan theta is equals to Ft divided by mg. This is proved in the last class. T cos theta is equals to mg. T sin theta is equals to Fe. T sin theta divided by T cos theta madibudri. Tan theta is equals to Fe by mg bರ್ತದೆ. That we have done in the last class. The same can be written as tan theta is equals to Fe can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by x square q1 q2 divided by distance square x square whole divided by mg. We want the charge on each sphere. The value of q is required. So this is equal cross multiply. You find q square is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught x square mg tan theta. Q square is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught x square mg tan theta. This is the value of q square. Now, can we find what is x? X ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? X is called the equilibrium separation between the two spheres. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇರೋ separation x. Is it possible to find the value of x? Equilibrium separation find out ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. See, this is a triangle O C B. ಇದೊಂದು triangle ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ so that things become clear. See, this is O, this is the sphere, and this is x by 2. This is theta, this is y vertically, and this is L. This is length of the string L. This is the sphere. Now, what is required is I need to find what is the value of x. X value have find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Remember this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು triangle, right angled triangle ಒಳಗೆ if you have to find any one of its side, always try to make use of the trigonometric functions like sin, cos, tan. ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, in this triangle OCB ನಾಗೆ I can define sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is x by 2. Hypotenuse is L. Right? So from this I can write x by 2 is equals to L sin theta. So x is equals to 2L sin theta. This is the equilibrium separation between two spheres. When two spheres are attached to two strings, and if they are given like charges, ಎರಡು sphere positive charge ಕೊಟ್ರೆ both the sphere gets repelled and they come in equilibrium at certain separation x ಅಷ್ಟು ದೂರದೊಳಗೆ ಅವೆರಡು ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ what is the value of this x? ಈ x value ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the value of x will be equal to 2L sin theta. Remember, this is known as equilibrium separation. Do you remember what was the distance between the two spheres, two charged spheres, when they are taken into space, space na ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವಿ. Do you remember ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ನೆನಪದ ನಿಮಗೆ? Do you remember what is the distance between the two spheres when both the charged spheres are taken into space? Very good. 2x. 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 Length of the string is L. Length of the string is L. Length of each string is L. So when both the spheres are taken into space, each sphere makes an angle of 90 degrees to the vertical. Length of each string is L. So the total length or the total distance between the two spheres become 2L. ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ evaluate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇದರ ಕೂಡ evaluate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. What will be the equilibrium separation when both the spheres are taken into space ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, if both the spheres are taken or if the arrangement is taken into space, the angle made by each string with the vertical is, do you remember what is angle made by each string with the vertical? ಒಂದೊಂದು string vertical ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು angle ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತದಾ? Do you know the value of theta? Do you know the value of theta? What is the angle made by each string with the vertical? Each string with the vertical 45. Each string with the vertical. Tan theta is equal to F by mg. G is 0. Anything divided by 0 will be infinity. Tan theta is equals to infinity. Under theta must be 90 degree. Very good. Hagadre illi theta 90 haki. In space, theta will be 90. Sin 90 is 1. So equilibrium separation between two spheres will be 2L. Equilibrium separation between two spheres will be 2L. So equilibrium separation between the two spheres is given by x is equals to 2L sin theta. Remember this. Whenever two charged spheres are suspended using the strings, they get repelled and come to rest at some position. This position is called equilibrium position, and the separation between them will be x is equals to 2L sin theta. Right? So remember this formula. Now using this, we calculate the charge. Charge calculation number. Q square is equals to 4 pi epsilon naught x square mg tan theta. We know x is equals to 2L sin theta. Then it substitute ಮಾಡಿ Q square becomes 4 pi epsilon naught 2L sin theta whole square mg tan theta. 4 pi epsilon naught in place of x I have substituted 2L sin theta, that is square mg tan theta. So Q square will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. 2 square is 4. 4 4 is 16. 2 square 4 4 is 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta. And Q will be equal to, this is Q square. When you take out Q will be equal to 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta power 1 by 2. Or square root of that value. Square root is nothing but power 1 by 2. So this is the value of charge on each sphere. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta mg ಬರುತ್ತೆ into mg power by 2. This is the amount of charge present on each sphere. See, these are the standard formula which you must remember. Ali prati kade ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ದಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. You must remember this value. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಏನೇನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೆ? 16 constant by constant epsilon naught constant. Length of the string is constant. Theta for given charge it must be kept constant, right? So this is m into g. Suppose if theta changes Q has to change, right? Adar hack change ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ, right? So this is the value of charge on each sphere. This is the value of charge on each sphere. 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta into mg power 1 by 2, right? With this calculation of charge on each sphere, we will now try to understand what are the factors on which this charge depends. Athwa we will calculate the dependency of equilibrium separation on the charge. Nodri, equilibrium separation eniruttalla, the separation between two spheres, it actually depends upon the charge on each sphere. Ondondu sphere mele eshtu charge ade annadra mele equilibrium separation depend agiruttade. We will calculate dependency of equilibrium separation on the charge. Dependence of x under equilibrium separation on Q. We calculate dependence of equilibrium separation on charge Q, right? So to do this, we will consider the case of charge on each sphere. Charge on each sphere is 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta into mg whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is the charge on each sphere. This is known as 16 pi epsilon naught L square sin square theta into tan theta into mg whole to the power 1 by 2. This is charge on each sphere. If we consider that the spring case, now problem nodidre, here the sphere is attached. This is the point of suspension. We call this as O. This is vertical. This is vertical. Its length is y. This is x by 2, and the length of the spring is L. This is theta. Theta is the angle made by spring with the vertical. Is that right? Now, from this, if I calculate what is sin theta, sin theta calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಿಂದ sin theta comes out to be or sin theta okay, sin theta comes out to be x by 2l. Sin theta is opposite x by 2 l, opposite by hypotenuse x by 2l. This is sin theta. For small angles, we can write sin theta as nearly equal to tan theta. Very good. For small angles, can we write sin theta is nearly equal to tan theta? Small angle andre 0. Small angle andre angles approaching 0. What is the value of sin 0? What is the value of sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. Similarly, tan 0 is also 0. Hagadre, at small angles, sin and tan are equal. At small angles, sin and tan are equal. Hagadre, for small angles, I can always write sin theta as nearly equal to tan theta. Small angles se matra sin theta equal to tan theta baribodu. Hagadre, what is sin theta? X by 2l. This must be equal to tan theta also. If theta is small, sin and tan must be equal, and they both are equal to x by 2l. They both are equal to x by 2l. Ega, idna ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. You substitute it here. In place of sin theta and tan theta, you substitute x by 2l. Sin theta is nearly equal to tan theta aguttada. Idu sin square theta. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta. Sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta. Sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta. So I can write this as 2 is equal to 16 pi epsilon naught L square. This is like sin cube theta. Sin square theta into tan theta is nothing but sin theta. Small angle approximation. Sin cube theta. Sin theta is x by 2l. Sin cube theta must be x cube divided by 8l cube x by 12 whole cube ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x cube divided by 8l cube tan theta into mg ಇದೆಲ್ಲ evaluation ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ into mg l square and l square gets cancelled out so it will be left out with q is equals to 16 pi 8 ones are 8 is a 16 so 2 pi epsilon naught 2 pi epsilon naught x cube divided by l illondu l ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತದೆ l square ಅಷ್ಟು cancel ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು l ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತದೆ into mg see 2 is constant pi is constant epsilon naught is constant length of the string is kept constant mass of the sphere is constant acceleration due to gravity at a place is constant but how does q depend upon equilibrium separation antandre we can see that q is directly proportional to x cube q is directly proportional to x cube or you can also write equilibrium separation x is proportional to q power 1 by 3 equilibrium separation depends upon the magnitude of the charge on each sphere how does equilibrium separation depends upon the charge on the sphere antandre equilibrium separation is directly proportional to q power 1 by 3 hagadre can you tell me what happens to the equilibrium separation if the charge on the sphere is changed from q to 8q can you tell me what happens to the equilibrium separation if the charge on the sphere is changed from q to 8q decrease ಆಗ್ತದಾ increase ಆಗ್ತದಾ equilibrium separation see charge equilibrium separation is directly proportional to q power 1 by 3 q power 1 by 3 q power 1 by 3 increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ increase ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ x is proportional to q power 1 by 3 ಅಲ್ಲ if q is made 8q whole power 1 by 3 8q whole power 1 by 3 this is nothing but cube root of 8q we know cube root of 8 is 2 isn't it ಅಂದ್ರೆ twice ಆಗುತ್ತೆ so this is how equilibrium separation depends upon the charge remember this relationship we'll solve some kind of problems on this in the next class naale idinal problems ಮಾಡೋಣ remember how does equilibrium separation depend upon the charge on the sphere equilibrium separation is directly proportional to q power 1 by 3 or q is directly proportional to x cube ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು x is proportional to cube root of q ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು x is proportional to cube root of q x is proportional to cube root of q right suppose if clear this point clear x is proportional to q power 1 by 3 ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ suppose there are two charges each of 1 coulomb they are separated by a distance of 1 meter okay there are two charges each of 1 coulomb and they are separated by distance of 1 meter these two spheres are connected by means of string the equilibrium separation is 1 meter now what I do is I will change the charges on the sphere from 1 coulomb to 8 coulomb ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ 1 coulomb ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಿ 8 coulomb charge ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ I give a charge of 8 coulomb to each of the spheres will the equilibrium separation remain 1 meter or it changes first thing whether the equilibrium separation remains same 1 meter or it changes ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇವಾಗ 1 coulomb ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 meter ಇತ್ತು 8 coulomb ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ you need to take ratio 1 ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತು 8 ಕೂಲಂಬ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅನ್ನೋನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೋನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ x2 divided by x1 x1 is equilibrium separation when charges was 1 coulomb at 1 coulomb idu known equilibrium separation. This is unknown x2 equilibrium separation when charges 8 coulomb is unknown, so unknown divided by known, that is equals to what is x proportional to x proportional to cube root of q. Hagadre x2 must be proportional to cube root of q2, x1 must be proportional to cube root of q1, cube root of q2 is 8 divided by cube root of q1 is 1, cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2. Hagadre x2 divided by x1 is equals to 2. This implies x2 is equals to 2 times x1. x2 is equals to 2 times what was x1? What was x1? x1 is equal to 1 meter. 2 meter 1. Andre, if you add or if you give 8 coulomb charge to both the spheres get separated to a larger extent and the distance between them now becomes 2 meter. Distance between them now becomes 2 meter. Is this clear? Distance charge ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Can you tell me what will happen to the distance if the charge given to each sphere is 64 coulomb? 1 coulomb ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 coulomb ಇದ್ದಾಗ distance between the two spheres is 1 meter. What will be the distance between the two spheres if the charge given to the spheres is 64 coulomb each? 1 coulomb idaga the distance is 1 meter. If I give a charge of 64 coulomb to each of the sphere, the equilibrium separation must become 4 meters. I hope the idea is now clear. If I give 27 coulomb to each, 27 coulomb to each, if I give 27 coulomb to each, 3 meters, that's it. So you must remember how does the equilibrium separation depends upon the charge. Equilibrium separation is found to be directly proportional to the cube root of the charge. As you go on increasing the magnitude of q, the distance between the charges also go on increasing. That's it. Is this clear? Is this clear? If this is clear, we'll discuss the last part of this strings problem. Tomorrow we'll discuss the MCQs on it. MCQs on it. Is this clear? Okay. Now we will try to understand the dependence of equilibrium separation, that is x on y. We know what is y. Y is the distance of the point of suspension from the spheres. Or you can say y as the length of the string initially, mean position agitare. So dependence of x on y. Suppose this is the system, string system. This is the vertical. Strings get repelled because they have like charges on them. They make an angle theta. The distance of the point of suspension of the strings is y, and the separation between the two spheres is x. This is called equilibrium separation. See, equilibrium separation depends upon the height of the point of suspension. Idr melu depend agtude. Sir, had depend agtude antandre we can write that tan theta is equals to mp divided by mg. tan theta is equals to Fp divided by mg. This is theta. Idistu x avanante is x by 2 ಇರಬೇಕಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. Tan theta can be written as opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Sir, ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan theta ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ x on y. So I am defining tan theta in terms of x and y. So tan theta is opposite x by 2 by adjacent y. So x by 2y ಆಯ್ತು. X by 2y. Fp by mg ಏನು 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square divided by x square divided by mg. Correct? ಈ x square ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ 2y ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. x cube is equals to x square into x is x cube is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q square 2y divided by mg. Cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ first. x cube is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon q square divided by mg into 2y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 by 4 pi epsilon is constant, charge on sphere is kept constant, mass of sphere is kept constant, acceleration due to gravity is constant, 2 is constant. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ x cube is directly proportional to y. X cube is directly proportional to y, or we can write y is proportional to cube root of x. Y is proportional to x is proportional to cube root of y. Equilibrium separation depends upon the height of the point of suspension of the strings. Equilibrium separation is directly proportional to cube root of height of suspension of the strings. More is the height of suspension, more is the height of suspension of the strings, more is the equilibrium distance. Less is the height of suspension of the strings, less will be the equilibrium distance. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಹಳ ಎತ್ತರದಾಗ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಎರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯ ಇಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಬಹಳ ಹತ್ತಿರದೊಳಗೆ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ or if they are suspended at a lower point, the equilibrium separation between the two strings will be less. So this is the dependence of equilibrium separation x on the point of suspension of the string. Yeah. Hagadre, try to answer this. See, when the two spheres attached to strings are suspended at a height of 8 meters from a reference level, the equilibrium separation between the two spheres is observed to be 1 meter. Equilibrium separation is observed to be 1 meter. Now what I do is, I will suspend these two strings at a lower height. I will bring these two strings down and I suspend them at a distance of 1 meter or at a height of 1 meter. Can you tell me what will be the equilibrium separation in this case? What will be the equilibrium separation in this case? Equilibrium separation is proportional to cube root of y. Equilibrium separation is proportional to cube root of y. What will be the equilibrium separation between them now? 1. Notary. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equilibrium separation ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ ಇದನ್ನ x1 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equilibrium separation ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. We will take it as x2. ಆಯ್ತಾ? We take it as x2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equilibrium separation 1 meter ಇದೆ. Height of suspension 8 meters ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of suspension ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 1 meter. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಕ್ವಿಲಿಬ್ರಿಯಂ ಸಪರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, x2 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. x2 divided by x1 must be equal to cube root of y2 divided by cube root of y1. Cube root of y2 divided by cube root of y1 because x is proportional to cube root of y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ cube root of y2, this is y2, cube root of 1 is 1 divided by cube root of y1 is 8, cube root of 8 is 2. So x2 by x1 is equals to 1 by 2 implies x2 is equals to 1 by 2 times x1. x2 is equals to 1 by 2 times 1 meter. And x2 will be 0.5 meter. Problem isn't clear. Equilibrium separation becomes 0.5 meter. Problem isn't clear. Allah? You did not understand the problem. Yes. See, equilibrium separation actually depends upon the height of suspension. Equilibrium separation is directly proportional to cube root of height of suspension. ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of suspension 8 meter ಇದೆ, equilibrium separation 1 meter ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ height of suspension ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. We are now suspending the system at a height of only 1 meter from the reference level. 1 meter. ಇದೇನಿದು height of suspension y. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ equilibrium separation ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.